Reports are used in ISE operations for analyzing trends and monitoring system performance. Since version 1.0, we have dramatically improved the user experience of ISE reports. We were inspired by the less is more design philosophy. As a result, we have reduced the number of top-level reports from 10 to 4 in 1.2 and tailored them to what we have learned about what users want to see. We reduced the sum of over 40 reports to 31 essential reports in 1.2, organized into appropriate relevance. We also made a significant change in information architecture of new ISE report building through robust Flex UI framework. In ISE 1.0, navigations were available in both the left and right pane of the viewing area. Hyperlinks and filters were not responsive enough, law of proximity was violated, and more importantly, it has been designed against the natural anticipation of user behavior, resultingly increased short-term memory load, discoverability, and learnability.
With new reports, we were able to achieve higher level of user interactivity and better performance.
The usability of new ISE reports are just simple and elegant. When you choose a report, the machine displays a sample report on its right pane to give a flavor and feel before you run the actual report. Therefore, we offer complete visibility into the system status while the actual report is rendering. You can click into any highlighted entity and view more details of it. Each report can be further drilled down by severity and time range. However, one of the major usability improvements of the ISE report is its filter design. We tried to provide the most important report results, so we kept the right pane clutter-free and placed all filters and selection on the left. Once the report is rendered, the user can arrange columns as per own convenience. Report filters are designed so powerfully that users can further sort results by any specific value, just simply by dragging it from the result column into the filter controls. Probably you do not want to type a long server name or a session ID. So we provided an easy experience by enabling drag and drop and intelligent auto-suggestion functionality just like Google. However, if you think you are unable to discover this cool feature, we do not want you to struggle discovering it. Rather, simply click and select from the radio button, Add as a query, and then the query is added to the filter list. Users can also view details of some fields, fix choices of visible columns, and therefore set customized views of report results. We also designed options for adding any reports into favorites, which can be found under the Favorites tab. Users can also delete from the favorites list by simply clicking Unfavorite link. This export button gives the power of exporting reports into a CSV Excel datasheet, and users can also control several export options. Any reports can also be saved for future reference, and users have the option to rename them while saving. It then goes into the Saved Report section. Scheduling report is another unique feature that gives flexibility to schedule report by choosing a date range. Some reports are powered by charts and graphs, in addition to detail results, to improve usability of data visualization. However, we were extremely careful about choosing the right graphs or charts that won't become a burden against the best intuitive data presentation. Look at how this bar graph has been used to show the time versus utilization and latency, but in the case of showing profile summary, we have chosen the pie chart.
Reports enable user a uniform view of data from various sources. They also allow to drill down to subset data, persist those customization, and export raw data.
Designing ISE reports is a collective conviction, a powerful combination of thought, creativity, and logic. We are proud of what has been improved significantly from 1.0. exploring new possibilities of how ISE reports can be more comprehensible and action-oriented, yet looks visually elegant, interactive, and sophisticated.